Did you know the Camaro SS churns out an exhilarating 455 horsepower and can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds? That's the kind of power that sets the heart of any car enthusiast racing. Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the experience of driving this high-octane machine. Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a car that has cemented its place in muscle car history, the Chevy Camaro SS. This isn't just any car, it's a legend on wheels. A symbol of raw power, precision, and performance. I couldn't wait to jump behind the wheel of this beast and test its limits, and today, I'm thrilled to share every thrilling detail of that experience with you. Let's be real for a second. Owning or driving a high-performance car like the Camaro SS isn't just about power. It's about mastering it. Sure, the idea of 455 horsepower under your control is intoxicating, but it's also a double-edged sword. The challenge? Finding the perfect balance between unleashing that massive power and keeping it under control. It's like riding a wild stallion, you want to let it run, but you don't want to lose control. So, how do you fully enjoy this beast without losing your grip? That's the exact challenge I was eager to face. The moment I slid into the driver's seat, I could feel the energy of the car pulsing through me. The cockpit? Pure comfort, with a sporty edge, but let's be honest, it's the power under the hood that stole my attention. When I hit the gas for the first time, it felt like the Camaro came to life with a roar. The acceleration was nothing short of explosive. The G-forces slammed me back into the seat, and I could feel every ounce of those 455 horses galloping ahead. But what really impressed me was how well this car handled. It's equipped with magnetic ride control, and trust me, that tech is a game changer. The Camaro felt agile, surprisingly nimble for such a muscle-bound machine. It carved through corners with grace, and the steering feedback was so precise it felt like an extension of my own hands. The adrenaline was pumping, and I was completely immersed in the experience. Every rev, every shift, every turn, it all came together in one epic ride. Alright, here's where things get intense. Picture this, an open stretch of road, not a car in sight, and the sun shining down on that sleek Camaro hood. I couldn't resist. I decided to push the limits and see what this car was really made of. I floored the accelerator, and the engine exploded with a roar that echoed down the empty road. In seconds, I was hitting 60, the speedometer climbing faster than I could have imagined. Then, I came up on a sharp bend. Most cars would hesitate, but not the Camaro SS. The tires dug into the asphalt, hugging the road with precision, and the car glided through the curve like it was on rails. The sound of the engine was pure music, a symphony of power and control. My heart was pounding as I danced with the edge of danger, but man, it felt incredible. That surge of adrenaline, the mix of speed and handling, is something I'll never forget. So, after all that, what's my final take on the Camaro SS? In one word, beast. This car doesn't just deliver on power, it offers a full sensory driving experience. The way it blends performance, style, and tech is unmatched. Compared to other muscle cars, the Camaro SS stands tall, aggressive, bold, and exhilarating. It's not just a car that goes fast, it's a car that makes you feel every part of the ride, with a connection to the road that's hard to beat. Now it's your turn. Have you ever driven a Camaro SS, or do you have a story about another muscle car? I want to hear all about it. Drop your experiences in the comments. And if you liked this breakdown of the Camaro SS, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more epic automotive content. Stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next ride.